What's up, everybody? It is King Camry here with the Camry. As you guys can see, the Camry is looking F-I-N-E. It is looking fine today because yesterday I dedicated myself to detailing my car, and it is looking really nice. In my opinion, nobody's gonna do it better than yourself. I personally enjoy detailing my car, cleaning, wiping, putting products on the car to make it look really nice and stand out, when you're inside. But yeah, anyways, today we're gonna be putting the banner onto my car. It's been a really rough morning just to get here to my pop shop, simply because I couldn't find the alcohol to clean the windshield, and instead I'm gonna be using some disinfectant wipes. That's the only thing I have, and I really don't want to spend money again on another alcohol bottle where I know it's lost somewhere in my house or probably in the shop. And when I was on my way over here, I was like, oh shoot, I forgot the yellow towels, these things right here. And I'm like, wait, I'm gonna be using the wipes, so I don't really need them. So I just kept driving, and I was already a few buildings down to get to my pop shop, and I'm like, shit, how am I gonna open the door? So I forgot the keys. I had to go back and get my pop's keys to open the shop. But yo, we are finally here. We made it, and we're gonna be doing this banner here today. And oh my god, I just realized I left my window down, and that would have made my morning even worse. Yo man, these visors really just saved my ass, man. I'm not even joking. I would have had water inside. I didn't even notice right now when I was driving, because those visors just do such a good job, to cancel out the wind noise. And it even, luckily, it even saved my ass from getting water inside my car. Goodbye to whatever I did yesterday morning. That's exactly why I didn't even wash my car too, because I knew it was gonna rain. And man, I'm telling you, man, it's been a rough morning today. But yo, luckily we're here, man. We're safe. I gotta make a review on those visors, man, and tell you guys where I got them at, because they just clutched right now. That's why some people are like, why do people have visors on their car? And look, man, this thing just saved my ass. I would have got water inside. But anyways, let's get inside my pop shop. Let's put this banner on. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully we don't struggle. But yeah, let's go, man. Oh, and everybody in Texas, man. Yo, shout out to everybody, out there. I know tough times right now, bro, but I hope you guys are doing good. Not just Texas, but everybody that's struggling with the snow, man. Hope you guys are doing good. Your families, you guys are healthy, you guys are safe. And, it's tough times, but hope you guys do well. I know the Camry community is big out there in Texas, bro. Everybody in Texas does something to their Camry. Right here where I live in the Bay Area, I've only seen 3 Camrys that they've done stuff to it, and besides that, just me. But no, man, hope you guys are doing good. Everybody out there, man, stay safe. Just my best wishes to everybody. So what do we have for today? We got the Toyota Racing TRD banner that I will be placing. Yo, they even sent me some little cutting knives, a little thing on how to install them. They even told me to tag them, bro, but if I struggle, they ain't getting they're not getting tagged. Nah, I'm just joking, man. I'll be sure to show you guys where I got it from. So let me show you guys what I got so far. Yo, look at that aggressive Camry, man. I just love this look on my Camry, man. This Camry's got a big mouth. As you guys can see, the hood looks like it's one piece, and it's really not. And I actually made a video how I did these panels in the front of my car. They're right there if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. I just took my Camry to Vegas a couple weeks ago like this, and people were passing right in front of me trying to understand, what type of car it was. They had that look in their face, like, what car is that? And I'm over here, just laughing like it's just a Camry, bro. But it was a nice feeling, and main reasons that I made this channel is because I want, this to help anybody out there. Whatever I do on my car, obviously it's going to be, for my car, but also maybe help anybody out there, that wants to do stuff to the car, see if it's worth it or not. I also have under development things I'm going to be applying onto my car, and, eventually I will have that available for my audience, for you guys, if you guys are interested later on. But I'm just doing my best to get the research to make sure I develop them correctly, so when the time comes and it's your turn to do stuff to your Camry, you guys don't spend the amount of time that I do, and you guys have these videos to help you guys out in the future, for anybody that is interested when that time does come. As you guys could see, I do have this stripe here. I did not make a video when I made that, although my first video was this right here when I applied these Mandalorian decals that you guys could see. And we got Baby Yoda, the stripe, and we also got this one right here. That one was not in the video, but this is the experience that I got, putting on these things on my car, and hopefully when I put this on right now, it's gonna be easy, yo. So as you guys could see, this banner, it's very off compared to right here. I mean, you could put it like this without having to cut it, but where I bought it from, they made it like this, so you can custom cut it to however much you want. Now I have my measuring tape right here, and for me personally, I actually do want to cut it. So I could grab the measurement from this black to the white letter like this, but I feel like that's just too much. So to make it an easier walk in the park, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my template, and I'm just gonna go ahead, line it up with the black part, and just mark it, so when I cut this, I can put it on top of my letters and throw that tape on. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be measuring whatever I got right here and put a little piece of tape on this side, and then I'm going to be grabbing this piece of tape and putting it all the way towards the end. But first I need to get this measurement right here. So this side's already ready to cut. I went ahead and I already put my mark right here. The same measurement from that side, I went ahead and I grabbed it right here. Now all I need is to go ahead and put a piece of long tape from here to here, and then it's ready to cut. That all means I am not no professional. Like, if you guys want professional installation, then I would go ahead and go with a professional and pay him to do it. Me, I'm just doing whatever I know from my knowledge, and doing what works for me. So it is now ready to cut. Since I do have experience in cutting, since I work in drywall, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it by hand freely. You can find something long, something flat that you can put on top of the tape and help you guide your cut to go straight. It could be something flat like that, a ruler. It can be a long piece of wood, something long enough that can give you full coverage. Alright, time to go ahead and put the banner. Alright, so there you go. TRD banner is installed. I gotta say, out of everything I put on my car, I feel like now I'm getting more experience in applying things, but also I'm knowing which products to try to stay away with. Personally, I mean, I'm sorry, but this right here, Oracle, it doesn't work with me, man. I mean, you probably have to be a professional that could probably install this really good, but from what I put on my car so far, like this stripe was Oracle, I did struggle a lot, and I do get tons of bubbles. So for the future, and for anybody out there that wants to apply them on your own, make sure that you guys get something that is breathless, like 3M, no bubbles, anti-bubbles, cancel bubbles, anything that helps you, you know, to have an easier time. So this is kind of like what I mean. So I'm gonna have to go back later and poke these with a needle. But overall, like the design, the TRD font, it looks really nice. I mean, huge shout out to right here to graphics_your_way. They really do have some very comfortable prices, and you know, I really like their design, man. It looks good. Just for the future, like now I know, like I'm gonna do my best to stay away from Oracle. It's been your boy King Camry with the Camry, with your weekly upload. Don't forget, we upload weekly, man. Make sure you guys sub. We're gonna be doing crazy things to this car, man. Hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe. See you guys.